Hello students, today we are going to understand the question number 33 of exercise 2D, right? So what is 33? A rectangular courtyard is 18 meter 72 centimeter long. So this is a rectangular courtyard having length 18 meter 72 centimeter and breadth 13 meter 20 centimeter, right? It is to be paved with square tiles of same size. Means we have to paved with square tiles like that, right? And so on. Whole path we have to pave with the same size of tiles. Same size tiles. So find the least number of such tiles. Means how many least number of tiles we have to buy so that we can pave all the rectangular courtyard. So here the important thing is we have to convert the given values into one unit, because there is meter and centimeter, so we will convert it into centimeter. So 18 meter we have to convert into centimeter, so multiplied by 100 plus 72 centimeter. After that 1800 centimeter plus 72 centimeter, so finally is 1872. So from this you can learn that 1872 we can directly write meter and centimeter. So here is also breadth 13 meter 20 centimeter, so I can directly write 1320 centimeter. Yes. Now after that, least number of tiles we have to find least number of tiles, right? Question mark. So again we have to find the SCF, highest common factor, that is the equal to least number of tiles, but they are saying of same size, so we have to find the tiles having the same length and we have to find the tiles having the same breadth, and after that we will multiply both the tiles, so we will get the total number of tiles. Let's first find out the SCF by division method. So smaller number will be divisor 1320 divisible by 1 divided 272. So 1320 ones are 250. Now by this we will divide 1320. So naturally you know that 552 twos are. So how many it is? 1104. So 612, right? So by this we will divide 552. So 216 is the divisor, 552 is the dividend. You all know how to divide this. Now again double of 216 we will take to subtract or divide, so it would be 432, right? Minus 0 to 1. Now this 120 I am taking here, 120 will divide this 216 216. So 120 how many is a ones are? So 6 9 0. 96 will divide 120, again it is ones are 24. and you all know that 24, how many are 96? 4 are. So now you get the 0. So last divisor is the SCF, that is 24. So by this 24, now we will divide our both length and breadth, that will give the same size number tiles. So what I will write here, number of tiles to fit along the length. Along the length means in this portion we will fix how many tiles, right, in this portion. So what we will do, so length is 1872 and divided by SCF, that is the highest common factor. So we will get 24, we will divide by 24. 24 sevens are 168. And 24 eights are 192. So 78 tiles we will fit along the length. Now what about the breadth? So we will again find number of tiles to fit along breadth. So it is fit along the breadth. So what is the breadth? 1320. And what is the SCF? 24. So it will come 1320. 24 fives are 120, 2, 1, and again 24 fives are 120. So 55 tiles you will fit along the breadth, right? Now we want total number of tiles, so we will multiply both the tiles fit along the length and tiles fit along the breadth. So total number of tiles of same size, so is equal to 78 into 24. Do the multiplication. Do the multiplication of 78 into 24. Yes, what is the answer? 4290. So we want 4290 number of tiles to fit all the area of this rectangular courtyard. So I hope you can able to solve the homework of question number 32 and also 34, because in 34 we have to find the SCF of two prime numbers. Any two prime numbers you have to take and find the SCF and then see what is the SCF. Two consecutive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever consecutive numbers. Two co-prime. What is mean by co-prime? Yes, having the common factor 1, right? And fourth one, 2 and an even number, means one number is fixed, that is 2 and even number. So I hope you will able to solve 32 and 34. If you face any difficulty, then raise it in comment box, right? Thank you.